Free from cables, free from petrol, free from hassle. Mountfield's Freedom 48 range of battery-powered products will make your gardening easier and more fun. Take your battery, slide it into your Mountfield Freedom 48 machine and go. So simple you could be cutting, blowing, trimming, mowing or cultivating in seconds. With the Mountfield 48-volt battery-powered range of products, you get the power of petrol with the convenience of cordless again and again. Every tool in the range uses a powerful 48-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, available in 2 and 4 amp-hour capacities. This is class-leading technology, with long run times between charges and a long battery lifespan, with no charge memory. This 48-volt battery system delivers best-in-class performance. Mountfield Freedom 48 battery-powered products are a breath of fresh air. No fumes, no starting problems, and of course no cable. They're lightweight and great for gardens of all sizes. You'll see energy and cost savings from the highly efficient electric motors. These tools are the alternative to mains electric and petrol-powered products. One battery and all the garden tools you'll need. Free yourself with the Mountfield Freedom 48 range, the power of petrol with the convenience of cordless.